Hi to all. My name is G. Bhaskar. Subject fundamental surveying. Topic measurement of distances. Subtopic direct method of ranging. Good objective and coming of this period be able to describe the method of direct ranging. Describe the method of direct ranging. మరొకసారి రీజన్ చేసుకున్నట్టయితే ranging is the process of fixing intermediate points on the given chain line. Ranging is the process of fixing intermediate points on the given chain line. Ranging has to be done when the end stations may be or may not be visible. When the distance between end stations is more than the chain length. When the distance between end stations is more than the chain length. Ranging methods may be direct or indirect. Ranging methods two types. Number one direct, number two indirect. Direct method of ranging. Applicability. This method is applied when two end stations are intervisible. The length of line is more than one chain length. అదేవిధంగా intervisibility means if we look from one end to another end point shall be visible. If the length of line is less than the chain length, we need not fix intermediate points for ranging purpose. In this method, the intermediate points are fixed by direct observation only. Direct method of ranging. Ranging by eye. Ranging by eye. Ranging by to begin with, the ranging rod should be erected vertically behind each end of the line. These ranging methods ABC, PQ మధ్యలో ABC and intermediate points. Surveyor stands at a distance of 2 meters behind the first ranging rod P. The assistant holds the ranging rod vertically at arm's length, where it is desired to establish intermediate stations, say A. Ranging rod should be held lightly by the thumb and forefinger and roughly in line. Surveyor directs his assistant to move his rod to right or left until points P and Q appear to exactly in a straight line. The assistant fixes up the intermediate stations as at A. Surveyor checks the lower ends of the rods to avoid error due to non-verticality of the rods. This process is repeated to fix the required number of intermediate points B, C, etc. Code of signals. Following code of signals may be used to direct the assistant fix intermediate points nearly in line PQ. Rapid sweeps with right hand move considerably to the right. Rapid sweeps with left hand move considerably to the left. Slow sweeps with right hand move slowly to the right. One arm up and move to one side, push the rod to that side. Both hands above one arm up and move to one side, push rod to that side, both hands above head, then brought down correct. Both hands extended forward horizontally and depressed. Briskly fix. Ranging by line ranger. Line ranger is a small reflecting instrument. It is used to fix intermediate points on the chain line. It consists of two right angle isosceles triangle prisms. These are placed one above the other as shown in figure. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. రేంజింగ్ బై లైన్ రేంజర్ ఫిక్స్ చూడండి, మంచిగా సీ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ డయాగ్రామ్ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. రేంజింగ్ బై రేంజర్. ప్రొసీజర్ ఆఫ్ రేంజింగ్. ఈచ్ two end stations A and B to establish intermediate points station P. The observer stand approximately in line near P. He holds the line ranger at the level of eye. Rays of light from ranging rod A enter the towards the ranger the level I. Rays light from rod A enter the upper prism. Rays get reflected from hypotenuse of the prism. Two reflected rays A and B enter the I at right angles to the line AB. This is the process. Thus the images of rods A and B are seen directly in the upper and the lower prisms by the observer. If the point is not the line AB, the two images appear separately as shown in figure. The observer moves backwards or forwards at right angles in the line until two images appear exactly vertically above the other. Until two images appear exactly vertically above the other. The point P is then exactly vertical in the center of the instruments. Repeat the process till the required number of intermediate stations are fixed. The instrument is useful to establish intermediate points on a long line. We need not go to one end stations repeatedly for sighting to other points. Okay, thank you to all.